In high-precision PCBA manufacturing, some defects are invisible to the naked eye. Especially in packages like BGA and QFN, solder joints are hidden beneath components. That's why we use X-ray inspection. No disassembly needed. See inside instantly. Clearly visualize solder joint quality. Detect voids, cold soldering joints, and defects. Ideal for inspecting BGA solder balls. Advanced software enables precise analysis. Supports batch inspections for higher efficiency. Combined with AOI for full inspection coverage. Ensuring reliability in every board. From inside out, complete quality assurance. High-standard PCBA starts with precision. Contact us for reliable PCBA solutions. Fast Turn, your best partner.